Let's do this. Take ground beef, open it up, place it on the board, spice it up with ground beef spice, Italian herbs, and of course our clove spices. Mix everything together nicely, make a patty out of it. Splash of olive oil, hot pan, cook for 3 minutes on one side. Cut the buns, let's toast them. Cut the onions. Onions, you can throw them with the patty onto the pan. Now it's time to flip our patty. Beautiful. Place the cheese on top of the patty. Now flip the onions, mix them around. The egg. Beautiful. Cover with lid, cook for 2 minutes, turn off the heat. Cut tomatoes. Mustard and mayo is our mix for sauce. Look at that. Nice, tasty, steamy, and delicious. Place the onions first. Now add the tomatoes on top of the onions. Service. Our beautiful patty with melted cheese goes on top. Now place the egg on top. Egg is not overcooked. Be careful. Cover it with the bun. Look at that. Nice, beautiful, tasty, steamy, and delicious hamburger from all sides. Let's see what's inside. Cut it open. Beautiful. It's so delicious. Look at that. Juicy. Let's try it. Yummy. That's a juicy burger. Like, share, and subscribe, my friend.